Welcome back to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. We've integrated your YouTube videos and set up your blog. Now, it's time to bring your most active social content onto your Wix site, which is your Instagram feed. Let's get started. First, you're going to have to prepare a section where you're going to have to put your Instagram feed. So to do that, go to Add Section on the left. You can just select a blank one that you're going to be designing yourself later on. Also, use the arrow buttons here to move your section wherever you want to place it on your page. And I'm also going to adjust the height since I'm going to be putting elements here and we're going to need room for them. Okay, so now we're going to go to the App Market button on the left and we're going to look for Instagram feed. Select Instagram feeds. There are actually two versions, the old one and the new one. The older one has a free plan available, but mostly in order to use more advanced features, you're going to have to upgrade. So it's all up to you to select which version you'd like to install. Now click on Add to Site in order to install it. And once you do that, it'll automatically be added to your page. Now, in order to connect your account to this element, click on it and click on Account Settings. Click on Connect. Also, this layout is stretched. So if you don't like that, you can click on it and click on Stretch over here in order to select your preferred width. All right, so now let's connect this element to our Wix account. So click on your Instagram element and click on Account Settings. Click on Connect. A new window will open. And it's going to ask you to sign in to your Instagram in order to successfully link it to your Wix Instagram feed app. So go ahead and do so. And once it's successfully connected, all of your Instagram images will automatically show up over here. By the way, if you'd like to change its layout, click on it, then click on Layout. And from here, you can choose a layout. So far, they have grid and sidebar. And for each of them, they have different settings. So for grid, you can choose the number of rows and columns, as well as the image ratio, etc. And for the slider, you can choose the image ratio, the spacing, um, padding, alignment, etc. So once you're done, click on Save to make sure your changes will be kept. And by the way, if you would like to change the background for this section, you can also do so. Click on it and click on Quick Edit. And over here is where you can change your section background. Also, if you'd like to change the design of your element, just click on it and click on Change Design. And using the tools here, you can adjust it however you want to. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Save to keep your progress. And that's all. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.